It is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Heze Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm a procurement agent and a China importation coach expert. As you guys know me, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to hit on the subscribe. So each time I post content about China importation business, you'll be notified. And also, if you want a consultation China business with me, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can actually buy from Chinese supplier using 1688 and how you can give them an instruction on the specific size you want so that they will not send you a very wrong size and a very wrong description of the product. Now let's take this product on the screen right here. Let's take it as an example. So this product right here is woman bra. Okay, now one thing about this product here is that the supplier here, they did not give much description about this product. Okay, now, and I'm interested to buy this product. So if you are fall in this category, so what you need to do is what I'm going to explain to you in this video. The number one thing you need to do is to chat up with the seller. For you to chat with seller, all you have to do is to click on here to start chatting up with them. If you don't know how to chat more with the seller, how to negotiate price with them, you can check my channel for more tutorial about that. Okay, now having chat up with the seller, next thing you need to do is to click on here to add the product to cart. So I'm going to click on here right away. All right, so you can see for this product there is always what we call XL, that is extra large, then L, which means large, then M, which means medium for this type of product. Okay, now but in this category, the seller here, they did not signify whether this is L or this is M or this is extra large. Okay, and we will need to buy according to specification, we need to buy according to color, things like that. So what you need to do right here is that first thing first, you have to add the product to cart. So for this product here, I need black of this. I need black of this to be 5 in quantity. I need black to be 6. Okay, so I need a skin color. So for me to choose skin color, I have to click on here. So skin color, I need it to be 5. Okay, so once you are done adding the product to cart, just click on here. So the total I'm buying from this seller here is 11 pieces. Okay, so you have to click here to add the product to cart. So this is just the stage 1. So the next step to take now is to go to your profile and access your cart. So for you to access your cart, the next thing you need to do is to click on here from the home tab right here. Click here, then it takes you right here. So you can see the product we just add to cart. So this is the product link. Now what we need to do here before we can make a payment, so you have to click on here now. Click here. The two products become active. So once it become active, next thing you need to do is to click here to make the payment. Then it's going to open up this way. Now what we need to do here is to leave an instruction to this seller so that they will not make a mistake when they are trying to send us this parcel. Now we need black to be XL to be 3 pieces. We need L to be 2 pieces. We need M to be 1 pieces for black. Then for skin color, we need 3 pieces of XL. Then we need 2 pieces of L. Okay, for the skin color. So what we need to do now is to make a type and tell them exactly what we need. So I'm going to head over to my Google Chrome. So if you don't have Google Translate already, make sure you install it on your phone. Now when I get to my Google Translate, I will make sure this is in English and while this one is in China. Now I will type in black color. So I need black color to be black color. I need XL for black. I need 3 pieces. So I can put it in, then I will put comma. Then I need L to be 2 pieces. Then for the black, I need M, that is medium, 1 pieces. Okay, so I'm going to close the bracket this way. Okay, then for skin color, so for skin color, I need let me open the bracket. For skin color, I need 3 pieces. For XL, then comma, then I need L to be 2 pieces. And I'm going to close the bracket. Okay, so these are the instruction of what I need. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is to click here to make a copy. You're copying on that. Then we have to go back to our 1688 right here. Now when we get back to our 1688, we just need to scroll up. So right here, we just need to stop here. Then we make sure we paste the text here. So you can see the text has been pasted right here. So this is what the seller will work on based on the instruction we give them right here, that we need this for this color, we need this for this color, things like that. Okay, so next thing we need to do is to click on here now to make the payment. So at this point here, you need to make sure that your Alipay is active, just like this. And we are paying the sum of 146 RMB, 146.30 RMB. Finally, you have to click on this button down below here to make the payment. So right here, we need to click on here to pay. Then at this point here, this is where you need to enter your payment password. Boom. So once you enter your payment password, this is going to take you right here. This is just a proof that your payment has been done successfully. So you can easily go back to your profile. Just click on here to go back to your profile, and you see the product we just placed order for. So by the time I refresh right here, so it's going to be added right here. So you can see I have 6 right here. So if I click on here, you're going to see the one we just made payment for successfully, and all the instruction is going to be there step by step. So you can see it right here. So this is the 2 that we just paid for. Okay, so this is how you can buy from 1688 in terms of giving a specific quantity, sizes, and the rest as far as China importation business is concerned. If you find value for this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.